So if you've got a house on a slope like we do here in the mountains, I'm always faced with the problem of how to actually work on the side, the exterior of the house. So this is our little setup, which I'll just give you a little tour of, on the cheap, how we set up it's kind of like building your own scaffolding with this setup that we have. So the first thing we got is a couple of old extension ladders, and seriously, you can find them a dime a dozen. These ones were given to me for free. The first thing we did was we bought these attachments, which you just press them out and then level them out. That's a game changer. So these are super valuable by themselves. And then the second thing that went around, what I did is I bought this, I've had this for a number of years now, these ladder jacks. And the ladder jacks we just set up, we make sure that the ladders are the same distance from the house, that these are the same height, roughly, they don't have to be perfect, and that this, if anything, is leaning towards the house, not away. And then we're going to be lifting this kitchen window up into here. So I just took some ladders, some standalones, and bungeed them to the bases, and then we're going to use those to help us carry up the ladder. And then this is well worth the investment. You can get some long boards, some planks from a scaffolding company, but I would buy one of these if you're going to be working in the long run on any types of hill slope siding. I'll leave links in the description to all these various accessories that I bought to create this system. Have a great day.